Welcome to another exciting episode of your favorite food game show, Onga Foodie Master, brought to you by Onga, Mama's Helping Hand. As you already know, Onga Foodie Master is an Ongalicious and entertaining food game show here to put the food knowledge and taste buds of foodies to the test, set to a table of 4. The last foodie standing with the highest points gets to walk home with some amazing goodies courtesy of Onga Nigeria. How cool is that? My name is Maiwa Mula. I'm your host and certified foodie all in one, and I'm super excited to meet our first 4 contestants who are already getting ready to go head to head on this Ongalicious food experience.
Onga. I'm an actor, a dancer, and a student as well.
I'm a designer, dancer, a performer basically.
I am an actor.
I'm a student.
As a foodie, what's that one food you can't get enough of?
The one food I can't get enough of is pounded yam.
Yam. All kinds of yam.
All kinds of yam, including pounded yam.
Excluding pounded yam.
Stir-fried spaghetti and turkey.
Amala with begiri and ewedu.
What's it about pounded yam that you love so much?
It's art. It surpasses the identity of food. You cannot just call food. It's beautiful. Like it's something. I don't know what it is, but pounded yam is beautiful.
The thing I don't like about pounded yam is that it tastes like yam. So it's like you're eating yam and soup, which is very weird if you ask me.
I don't know how to explain it. There's just the way spaghetti makes me feel when I eat it. You know, with the
Describe
pepper.
the feeling. Describe it out to me.
It makes me happy. Food makes me happy when I see the spaghetti with the asun and the turkey and plantain there with the bits of pepper, green pepper, red pepper, all that stuff. Yeah.
When begiri is hot, it's ewedu.
Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much of a foodie are you?
Let me give myself a 7.
A 10.
Okay, I'll say 8.
I think we should watch out to I'm top dog, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So.
Alright, you already met our first 4 contestants and they seem very hyped and ready for the contest. Right about now, it's time to kick things off with the first segment of the show, which is the trivia segment, where our contestants and our foodies will have to let their pen and paper do the talking in 20 seconds. And on my order stop, they'll have to review their cards and show me what their answers are. But not to worry, because in this part of the show, I'll be acting as their best friend and also their invigilator.
Iodized salt is a major ingredient used in making the Onga seasoning. Yes or no? Time's up. You may now review your answers. I asked, iodized salt is a major ingredient used in making the Onga seasoning. Yes or no? Funke, your answer was yes. Victor, your answer was also yes. Chidima, I don't know if you were peeping at Victor's work, but your answer was yes. Naga,
Alright.
you were the only odd one out. Your answer was no. Unfortunately, guys, it seems like the odd one out
The odd one out. It's not the winner.
is actually
The wrong one. The wrong one. Come on there.
You first.
The wrong.
No, you get why. Because I know the reason something.
Don't really do anything. The wrong one.
Naga. I'm here to tell you that your answer was
Wrong.
incorrect. You actually did lose this round.
Are you serious?
Yes. With that being said, Victor, Chidima, and Funke, you get 1 point each. Make some noise, make some noise. You should be proud. That's 1 point.
Bow!
Right about now, we're moving on to my favorite part of the show. It's the food challenge segment, where our foodies will be blindfolded and plates of food will be placed in front of them and they'll have to guess what that food is using only 2 of their senses. They can either touch or taste the food.
Blindfolds down. You can now taste or feel the food. Alright, Zoje. It looks like you are enjoying what you are eating. Ineka, you are not really sure. You are not really sure. 5, 4, 3, Oyinkan, 2, 1, 0. Drop your spoons and leave the food. You have 20 seconds to write your answers. Your time starts now. Stop. Can you describe to me your experience when you were tasting the food?
My experience, I was uncertain, obviously, because I could not see what I was putting inside my mouth. But when I felt it, it felt like egg, but it wasn't egg in a way, because just the texture of it was like thicker than egg, but it was had that same feel and look of egg. And then when I put it in my mouth, I tried to taste it. I wanted to eat more actually, but at the same time, I didn't know what I was eating. So I was like, let me just, maintain here.
But you're sure you tasted pineapple?
I am sure I tasted pineapple flavored. Oh, what's not pineapple?
Okay.
In the making of the pancakes, I think they might have put pineapple flavored. Pineapple flavor in it.
It was mushy.
Okay.
And so that's why I felt there was like syrup around it. Because when it was mushy. I just say it was mushy, and it had this sweet taste. So I was not so sure. I'm still not so sure of the exact flavor, but I just went with vanilla. So I don't know.
Well, you're 100% certain that syrup was used in making the food.
Yeah, like 80%.
80%.
Yeah.
Sure, nice.
It felt nice.
Yeah.
So when did you exactly feel the banana syrup? Was it immediately you tasted it, or it was an aftertaste?
After this.
It was an aftertaste.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I first didn't know it was pan, it was confusing at first, man. I was in my mouth because it was scattered. Now I've noticed like pancakes scattered like that. Then I started feeling the whole flavor. I ate a little bit at first, but then I was like, let's confirm this. But the flavor I already felt that. But then now taking the bigger bunch, I tested it not like twice, 2 different times. I wasn't sure it was granite or something, but yeah, it was chilled.
Funke, your answer was pancake and banana syrup. Victor, your answer was pineapple flavored pancake.
And I stand by it.
Chidima, your answer was pancake and vanilla syrup. Naga, your answer was pancakes with nuts and strawberry. Funke chose banana syrup while Chidima chose vanilla syrup. I'm here to let you know that yes, syrup was used. However, which of the syrup was it? Was it Funke's answer or was it Chidima's answer? The correct answer was
Banana.
Banana syrup.
Was it vanilla? Was it banana?
It was banana.
Oh, banana.
Or was it banana? The winner for this round is definitely not Victor or Naga.
It was not.
Wait.
The winner of this round is Funke. You got it right. Banana syrup. The right answer is banana pancakes with syrup.
Banana pancake.
It was not.
So there was no pineapple at all.
It was
Right about now, we're moving on to my favorite part of the show. It's the food challenge segment, where our foodies will be blindfolded and plates of food will be placed in front of them, and they'll have to guess what that food is using only 2 of their senses. They can either touch or taste the food.
All right, placed in front of you, you have 3 ingredients. You have wheat, you have onion, and you have peanut butter. Which of these ingredients was not used to make the food that you just tasted?
Wheat.
Wheat. Are you sure? You can taste them.
Wheat, right? Not flour.
Wheat, yes.
It's wheat.
So you believe onion and peanut butter was used to make pancake and vanilla syrup, if I'm correct?
Yes. I'll go with yes.
You're 100% sure.
I'm 80% sure. But
So your final answer is wheat?
yeah.
I'll go with the onion. Onion was not.
Just the onion?
I don't know. I don't know if people use wheat to make pancakes. Okay, let me just say, let me see. I'll go with the onion, the wheat flour. Actually, they used to use peanut butter to make pancakes.
We need a final answer.
Final answer. Okay. Damn. Okay. None of them was present.
None of them was used
none of
to
them,
make the food you tasted.
Yeah.
That's your final
That's
answer.
my final answer. Yeah.
Wait.
Wheat. You're 100% sure.
Partially.
Partially. You can pick more than one. No?
Okay. No.
It's just one you're going with. So wheat wasn't the one used.
Oh, so you said this one is peanut butter.
Yes.
I know it's peanut butter.
Onion.
Onion. Is that your final answer?
Which of this was not?
Yes.
Onion.
Okay. Why?
Because
Why
I
do you
don't
think?
eat onion.
And you would have tasted it for sure.
Yes, I don't eat onion, and if it was used, they must have been sleek. I don't eat onion.
But you're sure.
I don't like onion. It pisses me off.
Okay.
It gets in my head. Sorry.
You're sure the wheat was used.
If I meant to pick out one, then I suppose the onion.
You were asked to guess which of the ingredients placed in front of you was not used to make the food that you just tasted. You had wheat, you had onion, you had peanut butter. You also had the luxury to pick more than one answer. Funke, Chidima, Victor, Naga. All of you actually got the answer wrong. The 2 ingredients that were not used to make the food that you tasted was wheat and onion.
So you guys mix peanut.
I was like, who uses peanut butter? Because obviously you can't use wheat.
Sorry.
With that being said, the winner of this episode of Onga Foodie Master with the most points is none other than Funky Funke! Make some noise! Yes! Yes! Funky's our winner.
I'm second runner-up. Thank you.
Hey, Funky Funke. You are our winner for today's episode of Onga Foodie Master, the food champion. How does it feel? How do you feel?
Actually, I feel happy.
Okay.
I feel overjoyed. And
Yeah.
I feel excited.
You feel excited? I'm not sure. Give me a dance now. Let me see.
I don't know how to dance. I'm not a shy person, so...
I know. But yeah, it feels good to be the winner, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You seem like a quiet storm, but you are still the one that defeated everybody. Even though you didn't brag or make any noise, you didn't make too much noise, but you still came out on top. If you must feel great, doesn't it?
Perfectly.
Perfectly. All right. So, is there anybody you want to give a shout out to?
Yes.
Okay, who?
I want to shout out to my friends and family outside there, and thanks to Onga for giving me this opportunity to come for this competition. I really appreciate.
So there you have it, shout out Onga. With that being said, we have come to the end of your favorite food game show, Onga Foodie Master. I remain your host and certified foodie, Maiwa Mula. Onga Foodie Master will be back next time with more interesting food twists. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media handles at Onga_Nigeria on Facebook and Instagram. And remember, food is symbolic of love when words are inadequate.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.